Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing. I did just pre-cut this to speed it up a little bit. So let's pull the watches out of here. Actually, one of these watches I purchased, and the other one is on loan from Rob. This one here, MT&W. I have no idea what it looks like, so you'll get my reaction on camera here. And then this is the one that I purchased, a Yema. All right, I don't think there's anything else in that box, so let's look at this one first. The Yema, I have kind of an idea of what it looks like. I didn't look at it too closely. So this is some interesting packaging here. Okay, here's a little bit of information. Some kind of model number, I guess, and then the Eclipse MT&W. Oh, cool. Looks like a nice chronograph here. Let's zoom in. Okay, looks like a mecha quartz. The 6 o'clock subdial hand is moving, so that'd be your running second dial. And then 3 o'clock is 24-hour indicator. And then 6 o'clock would be your minute for the chronograph, minute timer. So let's activate this thing. Sorry about that, I had to sneeze, so I paused the video there. Anyway, the second hand's moving away, ticking away, 4 beats per second. That'll tick over there. I don't know if that's ceramic. The crystal definitely has a dome to it. You know, I don't know if that's hesselite or sapphire. Hard to say. I'll have to look up the information. But anyway, let's look at this. Looks like it already ticked over. Interesting. The logo up there at 12 o'clock. All right, don't see much information on the back of this, so I'll have to look everything up and talk about it in the full presentation video. All right, let's stop this and then we'll reset it. You'll see it sweep back here, so let's go ahead and reset. There we go. Actually, it snaps back, not a sweep. I was thinking of my Tissot PRC 200. Looks like a goldish color dial. No, interesting watch. I don't know if that's ceramic or what that is. All right, let me get this on wrist. Sign crown also. Non-screw down. So anyway, today I've been wearing the Stova Antia 390. I need to get a video out on this eventually. And then I'll probably be selling it. Might get it repaired first though. I don't know. It's got some pretty good scratches on it. Looks like the strap's a little bit, well, actually quite a bit too big for my wrist. It's an arm watch, I guess. It's too bad that the strap doesn't have enough holes in it. It's a good looking watch. I have this one sitting to the side. I need to get around to doing this too. But yeah, I don't know. Anyway, spent a little bit too much time on this one. Let's get the other one out. All right, let's get to the Yema. I wanted to. Man, how long did these come out? 2-3 years ago by now. The Superman came out. Actually, it's been at least 3 years. This is before I started this channel. The Superman came out. Always wanted to check one out, just never really got around to it. And this one came up for sale in the Discord group. And this is actually a Superman GMT. Actually, it's a little bigger than I realized. So yeah, this has the bezel locking thing here. So I think you unscrew the crown. That thing just flops around. Kind of reminds me of my Glycine Airman I had, but that had a separate crown with a similar type locking mechanism. I don't want to break anything here. Oh, so oh. It's unidirectional. It should be bidirectional being a GMT. Well, that's a little disappointing. Yeah, it's definitely not turning back the other way. Bezel action is actually pretty stiff. So let's put it back. Yeah, the bezel action is a little disappointing. Screw the crown back down. Give it a shake. Yeah, so this has the in-house Yema movement. French watch. See, it says France at the bottom there, actually. A little hard to see with that distortion. It almost reminds me of the Rolex Explorer 2. It was a really large painted on indices here. So yeah, we'll check out the loom in the full presentation. Just a quick look today at the unboxing. I do like the bracelet. Kind of reminds me of the Rolex President bracelet. Well, not the clasp, it's a stamped clasp. Let's see. Okay, so this portion is milled, a little hook there. And then this stamped safety clasp holds it in place. Has some nice taper to it as well. Oh, I see. It blossoms out past the lugs. That's why it looks like such a great taper. So yeah, we'll measure everything. I'll measure everything and talk about it in the full video. Oh, that's an interesting look. Looks quite thick. It's a piece of stamped sheet metal. I don't know, interesting design. All right, let me get this on rest and then we'll close out the video. Also, I have a Yema Pearl Diver, so I'll compare these two as well sometime in the near future. Yeah, it's a neat looking watch. Maybe a little bit too big for my wrist, especially with these male end links here. All right, that will conclude this unboxing video. Went a little long. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. Like the video and leave a comment below. As always, thank you for taking the time. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.